Hi my lovelies, welcome to my channel. This was a highly requested natural look that you can use for work or to go out with your friends, which doesn't take too much of your time. And yeah, without further ado, let's start the tutorial. To set my prep, I used my Olay sunscreen lotion so that it has the SPF, so I don't have to worry about it throughout the day. My skin will be protected. And then after that, I used this Physicians Formula Depuff Green Cucumber and Bamboo Eye Deep Puffer, because when you wake up in the morning, like for me, like I always get like my eyes gets really like poofed up, so it helps to depuff that. So yeah, today I'm going to show you from the very beginning how I do my eyebrows, like not too intense, just a regular basic one. So for that I will be using my CoverGirl, what is it? It is called, I threw the pack out, I just bought this, but I used it like twice already, and so far I'm loving it. It's ultra fine brow pencil. I'm in shade Rich Brown, so it's like a pencil brush. It's very precise what I will be using to fill in my eyebrows. As I said earlier, it will not be too intense, just will be going with a natural look. So first I'm going to go ahead on top. And the best thing about this eyebrow pencil, it comes with a spoolie on the other end. But I'm used to using this disposable spoolie, so I do like that. So first on the top, I make a straight line, and then I go at the bottom and make another straight line. It depends on the structure of your eyebrows. And then I'm going to fill in the sparse area slowly and gradually. And then I'm going to take the spoolie and keep on brushing so that it doesn't tend to have too much product in between my brows. Like for me, I'm a big time fan of the Anastasia deep brow pomade. I'm used to that one. So for pencil eyebrows, like it takes me a while to get adjusted to it. So same on the other side, making a straight line. Like I make like a border, top and bottom, and then fill in the sparse area. So at the front of my eyebrows, I don't put any product. I try to keep it mostly natural because I don't like those harsh look at the beginning or at the front of the eyebrows. You know what I mean? I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. This look was like highly requested for me to do. I'm sorry, like it took me a while to do this one, because like our Ramadan month was on, and honestly, like after fasting, I really didn't have the energy to film. Most of the videos that you guys are seeing is already been like pre-recorded beforehand. So let me know, guys, if what other looks you all would like to see. I would love to make more of those videos for you all. So then I take the spoolie again and brush it off so that the products goes all throughout the eyebrows. So then what I do to set my eyebrows, I use this Maybelline Brow Drama Sculpting Mascara. Brow mascara. It's in shade soft brown. It has a spoolie like this. Honestly, like I was a big time fan of the Essence Make Me Brow, but after I use this, I'm liking this one too. Like both is good. This gives more like a natural look. And some days, like if I don't want to work too much on my eyebrows, I just use this on my eyebrows and I'm out of the door. That's the look I'm going for. It's just natural look. So this is how your eyebrow is gonna look like just like a natural, not too intense, since today's makeup look is your natural makeup look I'm going to go for, so I'm going to keep my eyebrows soft as well. So after that, just to clean up the under the eyebrows on top and bottom, I'm going to use a concealer. You can use any concealer, it doesn't have to be the same one. I'm going to take it on a flat brush like this. It's a concealer brush, and then go at the end and also on top, so that your eyebrow is like more clean. So now I'm going to take another brush like this. It's like a pointy little, and then smooth it out. So whatever left the concealer, I'm just putting in my inner corner already. So after that, what I'm gonna do, so I will go with the, oh sorry, first I'm gonna prep my eye. This time I'm using a Milani eye primer so that my eyelids doesn't get too oily, and if I'm planning to use any eyeshadow, it will make the color pop and it will stick nicely to the eyebrows, sorry, eyelid, and it gives a little color to my lid. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this oops sorry, I'm going to take this Goss eye pencil. It's in shade light copper. It's a metallic eyeshadow stick. I'm going to place it on top of my eyelid and stop before the crease. So right away I'm going to take the brush and start blending it out so that it will be easy for me to blend. Do you look at the color? Like with this eyeshadow pencil, you don't have to try too hard. You can just put it on, put your mascara or liner, and you're out. For the shimmer, I'm just putting a little bit in my inner corner, so I look like it gives me my eyes more, it makes my eye more open. Yeah. So there's another thing that you can do, it's optional, which I would do to give like define to my eye. I'm going to just use a light brown shade. I'm going to use this one from the Wet n Wild. You can use any soft brown color, and then on a fluffy brush just go a little bit on top, just like that. Same on the other side. So this is going to be my eyeshadow look, and then I'm going to go in with my eyeliner. Do like a thin or thick, either whatever look you want to go for. Like one thing I like about this Wet n Wild eye pencil, it has like a felt tip. It's easy to like maneuver. I'm not going to talk too much because I'm going to focus on my eyeliner. Because what happens with me is like when I want to go just a thin line, it ends up getting thicker. I know you're not supposed to tug, but I do. So this is optional. You can tightline your tightline using any black or brown because it makes your eye look big. But I'm not going to do that. So instead of that, what I will be doing is I will take a nude eye pencil and just waterline. And use it on my waterline. Because at work, because if you're waking up early morning throughout the day, like if you're having a long hour shift, this doing the white like a nude color on your waterline will make you look you're wide awake, and it will not make you look too tired. So yeah, and then I'm gonna go with my mascara, same usual Essence, or you can use whatever is your favorite. I'm gonna skip the falsies because early morning, let's be serious guys, I know this look is already like a lot I'm doing, but for falsies it takes me time, so I'd rather use the time to sleep or like have breakfast or something like that. So this is my eye look. Okay, so now for my face, I'm not putting any primer. Instead I'm going with my CC cream. It's optional. Either you can go with BB cream or CC cream or any like natural looking foundation. The one from the drugstore that I like is the Wet n Wild Cushion Foundation. You can go with that too. And the reason I'm going with the CC cream is like I don't have to touch throughout the day. Plus it has the SPF. I know my moisturizer already has SPF, but it's like more I'm getting from this. So, and plus it's color correcting. It's a full coverage cream. So, and plus it has benefits of some skin benefits it has. And also it helps, it has other, let me read the back. Helps prevent sunburn, is used, if used as directed with other sun protection measures, which I already did, to increase the risk of skin cancer and early skin aging caused by the sun. So yeah, it's up to you. You can use even a moisturizer which has a little tint, or you can mix your little bit of foundation in your moisturizer and put it on your face. That would be okay too, or up to you. Don't wear foundation. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take this on a flat, I'm taking on a flat kabuki brush. This is an e.l.f. one. Because I just want a little bit of color, because I've been breaking out a lot lately. Because we were fasting, as I said, like I was not drinking enough water. So my skin got really dehydrated and it started breaking out a lot. So a CC cream or a BB cream helps with the coverage, and plus like it gives a glow to your face or skin. I know these are steps, looks like a lot, but I tend to do that if I'm working for long hours, and it gives me a put together look, and throughout the day I don't have to touch up my face. And one thing good about this CC cream, like it has a moisturizer to it too, and in wherever like nowadays you're working like in an office or retail store, anywhere, like there's always AC on, so it keeps your skin moisturized. It does not give you the dehydrated look. I really have like bad dark circles. I'm gonna just put a little bit. To set my face, I will be using this Rimmel transparent powder. So to contour, I will be using this Rimmel contour palette. It's 3-in-1. It has like a blush, contour, and a highlight. So I will be using the contour shade because I'm not going to use today blush. I'm skipping that. And as you can see, this contour shade has a little sheen. So for my bronzer, I will be using this Rimmel kit in Coral Glow. It has 3. It has a blush. This palette comes with a blush, contour shade, and a highlight. So since I'm not doing the blush today, I will be just doing contouring and highlight. And the contour shade has a little sheen to it. That's what I like about this. The blush is really nice. Like if you want to go for it, like it's like a neutral, like a light color, which can go for your everyday look. But I'm skipping that. So after that, what I will do is for my highlight, I will be going with my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter. It's like a liquid form. As you can see, it's very beautiful. because I want my face to give a dewy look throughout the day. So then I'll take it on a flat brush and top of my highlight, that Mega Glow that I use, the liquid one. I'm going to go ahead with this highlighter shade from the Rimmel palette, so it looks a little bit more intense. Same on the other side. So this is my makeup look I will be going for every day. You can do for work. So for lipstick, I want to use a long-lasting liquid lipstick. You can either go with a gloss or you can go with a long-lasting matte finish lipstick. So I have two options for that. I have this L'Oreal Color Riche lipstick. It is like a lip balm, but it has a color to it. You can do that too. Or if you don't want to go, like this color doesn't last long, but if you don't want to go with that throughout the day, like keeping on applying your lipstick or making sure that your lipstick is like staying on, like it's perfect or not, you can go with the long lasting liquid lipstick instead. Like the one I'm going to show you after is from L'Oreal. Like this color does not move throughout the day. Like even after I'm done eating, like drinking, it lasts long. So these are the two options you can go for. I love this color. Oh, did I tell you guys? It's in shade Luminous Coral. It's beautiful and smells so good. Do you guys do that? I have a habit of smelling my makeup. Like I open it and start smelling it. For the lips, I have two options. One is either you can go with a lipstick which has a little color, or the other is if you don't want to touch your lipstick throughout the day and worried about for the color to be rubbed off or it's not staying in put, you can go with another is your L'Oreal Pro Matte liquid lipstick, and these color last long, like it will not move. Or you can use any favorite of your lipstick or lip stain you have. So this is the one lipstick that I wore. This is the L'Oreal one I tried on. It gives a little color and also a sheen to my face. So let me show you the other one. So I'm going to outline my lips with a natural lip liner. And then go with this L'Oreal lip stain in shade Candyman, and it smells like chocolate. Let this lip stain set for a while, and then after I'm going to top it off with my lip gloss from Wet n Wild. You can use any lip gloss. The reason I'm going to put lip gloss is because this lipstick is very matte finish. As a finishing touch, what I did, I applied this Mario Badescu Rose Water. This will keep me hydrated throughout the day and keep my makeup set so that I don't have to touch throughout the day. So yes guys, this is my natural makeup look I created, which doesn't take too much of your time. So I hope you like this tutorial, and if you do, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel, and see you in another tutorial. Bye!